Hello, this is BishalTronic. Welcome to my another video. Recently I uploaded a video about shocking problem from PC and I got a lot of comments from the viewers. They asked me to explain more clearly. So I decided to make a new video. Today I will show practically how to do it. So let's get started. First thing first, you need to turn off your main switch and then open your socket outlet. You need to check their ground connection already have or not. Look, there is 3 wire this one is live wire red, this one is live wire, and this one is neutral, and this one is live wire, and this one is comes from outside. This is the ground connection which you need for your home to avoid shocking problem from device. Some kind of device have shocking problem and they need ground connection like a laptop, computer, and other electronic device. If you want to know how to make this, you can search on YouTube or comment. I can show next time. And this is the ground connection. Look, there is a symbol, tiny symbol in there. Look, there is a tiny symbol of ground connection. This is my ground connection, comes from outside. This is live and this is neutral. If you don't have this ground connection, please connect the ground connection from outside. You need this ground connection and then reset your socket outlet. Now turn on my main switch and plug in your laptop charger. If you have a desktop, no problem, just do it same way. Look, there is power and there is no live connection line. Look, see, I touch it, nothing happened. It is still far on. Look, if you have a desktop, just do it. Please follow my instruction and stay safe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.